Thank you so much. We are here this morning for the matter of COP, Commissioner of Police against Seyi Awobola. This case is about a young man who has been in detention since October 21, 2020. He was arrested on Wednesday, uh, the very next morning after the very horrible incident at Lekki toll gate. You understand? And since that time, like so many hundreds of other people were arrested. In fact, by our own records, at the radical gender movement in the NBA and Abuja, up to about 300 people are still in detention. This particular person, his case is special in the sense that his family has put in extra effort to get him out. We've been to the High Court twice for his bail. It was refused. Serious charges, but with no justifiable basis of arson, of rioting, was preferred against him, including disobedience to lawful order. Eventually, because of our pressure, we wrote to the Attorney General of Lagos State complaining about the merit of the legal advice that was issued based on the facts given. And well, positively, the Ministry of Justice did a review of this matter since more than a month ago. That really the only sustainable charge in their view now, upon our petition, is to remove the charges of arson and rioting against him. And so that means this matter that has been pending before this court since December last year now can be treated. On October 18, if I'm right, the matter was to come up. And we attached to our own application a certified true copy which we obtained from the Ministry of Justice about the new legal advice. But the court was of the opinion that the court would want to be safe and to get a copy from the Ministry of Justice itself. And so the matter was adjourned. Can you imagine? To December 20 this year, we have to bring a new application for abridgment of time. And mercifully for us, it was fixed for today for the hearing of this matter, because the court now has a copy of the original from the Ministry of Justice, removing all those other serious charges that we've mentioned. So this morning, the boy was not produced. Why? The prisons said they will not bring him because they have no operational vehicles. Can you imagine? They have no operational vehicles to bring him to the court. And there's nothing the magistrate could do in that circumstances. So all our efforts to persuade the prison to get a chartered bus, just one person, just a young man, he's not being charged with armed robbery, he's not a murderer, all this kind of thing. They refused. He says only their topmost officer, the officer in charge, I think the Comptroller General, the Assistant Comptroller General, and he was not around. And so now the information we got from the registry of the court is that the matter is now adjourned till Tuesday next week. By then, hopefully, the prison's fans will be working and the gentleman will be brought. We are not happy about this development. These are the family members. They were badly disappointed the other time, October 18, and today you can imagine the shock and embarrassment again. And that shows how the country is malfunctioning. Malfunctioning. That's a young man detained on the basis of his spurious charge in the first instance. And now there's some rectification that we made. You can see system failure again at detaining. We are talking of a human being since October 21. And like I said, October 21, 2020, there are still about 300 other people there like that. And this is a reason why we tell our people, don't leave the struggle to make Nigeria a better country for some people who you think they have two heads. Nobody has two heads. Nobody has greater stake in this country than any other person. But because we are, as people, as citizens, we are just too soft, too weak, too cowardly too indifferent. We prefer to live as slaves. That is why our leaders, so-called leaders, these are not leaders, these are rulers, wicked, oppressive rulers. They can afford to do anyhow with us. See the house that came down in Ikoyi 2 weeks ago or so, everything. You will see a lot of boju government magic. You know, how could a house fall down? You say it's accident. Some people did not do their work. Some compromises were made, and people died. Now, many of people died will be poor people, young girls, young boys who have come to do liberal work. Then they want to give them, prep their family if they even have the courage to come out. So if we do not fight together, Nigeria, which has become a tragedy, will continue to happen to us. This is what I told the family members, because I know if not for this thing that's happened to them that they are experiencing, if they say, oh, let us do struggle, let us do protest, let us do, no, I don't have time. But you can see how it is. So we hope that on Tuesday, the situation will be better, the gentleman will be brought, the court will sit, and will get freedom. Whereas, meanwhile, there is still a lot of struggle for other people who are still incarcerated, being victims of post-EndSARS disturbances crisis that happened from the 21st of October 2020 till I think the 2nd or 3rd week of November of last year. This time last year, Lagos still not safe, Nigeria still boiling and all that. But we tend to forget this is what has happened. That's why we have to do.